Back in 1999, I was privileged enough to play with my father at the Hollywood Bowl with the Honolulu Symphony. And during that time, a very special guest was in the backstage, and I happened to shake his hand, which was like the size of my forearm. And I had no idea who that was at the time because he was like 6'6", and he was a really big guy. And then Dad comes up to me earlier and starts scolding me. He goes, you know, it takes me 30 years to meet Stevie Wonder, and you meet him in like 1 year of playing. Anyway, I was taught this song by a good friend of mine. His name is Mr. Herbold Jr. Song written by Stevie Wonder. Song entitled Serduk.